We're proud to present the new CTK VW27 installation kit for the Volkswagen Polo. To begin, start prying away the main panel of the dashboard by using a bojo tool. The clips can prove to be quite stubborn, so be sure not to stress any plastic and evenly spread out the pressure. Now we utilise two bojo tools to create a lever system, resulting in the release of the hazard panel. Note, upon the disconnection of the airbag switch, you should not cycle the ignition or turn the engine on. Once the hazard panel is out of the way, use a set of radio release keys to remove the screen out of the dashboard, following on to disconnect both the wires found on the reverse of the unit. If we then open the glove box, you will need to again use a set of release keys to remove the singled-in head unit. Again, disconnect all of the wiring from the back of the unit. With the screen removed, begin to unscrew the plastic enclosure. There are 6 screws in total. For the fitment of a full-size doubled-in head unit, the following section of the cage will need to be cut to make space. You can now look to fully connect and feed the following wires to the vehicle and the head unit. For more information on wire configuration, please refer to the manual. Once all the relevant connections have been made, proceed to connect the power connection last. Now take the brackets and attach them to the sides of the head unit as well as the back of the fascia panel. Once the depth has been calibrated, begin to stow the unit away. With the unit now installed, proceed to reconnect the airbag connector and hazard switch panel, and finish off the installation by replacing the main dashboard panel. To find out more information about the CTK VW27 and other MIB2 installation kits, visit our website at connex2.com.